Hey, come with me, come with me. Hey, it's us again. Thanks for joining us.
Welcome to Orleans Bay. This is just out the back of cheek of Orleans Bay Caravan Park, or Orleans Bay Campground, I think it's called. It's a bloody fantastic place.
It's amazing.
This is the actual Orleans Bay here. Sort of got to duck through the trees to walk down here from the caravan park, but it's only 15-20 metres from our caravan, so we're pretty happy with that.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely mint here. Much like it was at Esperance, it's white sand and blue water everywhere. It's just amazing. WA is like just wow.
Yeah, it's pretty good over here. This particular bay is full of seaweed at the moment, but if you go over to Warton Beach on the other side, which we've put some in the video, you'll see there's not much seaweed over there.
Much like what you would have seen at Esperance, and you'll see in this video, white sand, blue water. It's just been amazing.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Hey, come with me, come with me. We're nearly there, don't go away. Check this shit out, man. This is our doorstep.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Other things we've seen while we were here, of course, Warton Beach. Like, you wouldn't come all this way and not go to Warton Beach. Didn't know there's a little Warton Beach, which is equally as spectacular as the big Warton Beach.
Yeah, we haven't looked at them yet, but there's some. I think I've got some really good drone footage over there, so
you'll be seeing it as soon as we do.
It'll be in the vid, don't you worry about that.
Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
We've now ventured down onto Little Wharton Beach. It's not far from the Duke of Orleans Caravan Park. Pretty bloody good down here. All the beaches down here have been fantastic, so really enjoying this trip. We have actually been out for a cruise to the, what was it, Three Little Sisters?
Three Sisters.
Oh, Three Sisters, was
Yep.
it? Yeah. We're not sure that we actually got to the Three Sisters, but the track is really narrow, so if you like your paintwork, probably wouldn't do it. But yeah, full drive definitely.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
Okay, dear, where are we off to today?
Rock pools, and we'll hike around and see what the Three Sisters are. We tried to drive there yesterday, not so successfully.
We found this little track, hoping it's the right one. Well guys, this is Warden Beach, WA, down near Duke of Orleans. Wow, it's going to be an amazing sunset. Check it out.
Fill me out with your smile, while the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe.
We went down for sunset on our first night, so Friday night we got here, we set up, we nicked down to Warden Beach for our first sunset down there, and we actually had whales on the beach as well, so it was like, yes!
Yeah, that's always a good thing when you get out on the first night. Unfortunately, well, the weather's better now. It was a bit cloudy this morning. We got up for the sunrise, but no sunrise this morning because the clouds decided to cover that.
We'll try again tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have some good ones to show you over this beautiful bay behind us.
But we got perfect blue skies now, so it's all good from here on. Perfect time to come down, have a beer, check out the sunset.
Take me out when I'm down.
Cheers!
I'm safe and sound, 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 safe and sound.
While we've been here, yesterday we thought we'd take a cruise around. We were thinking about coming down here at Christmas, but of course everything's already booked out. So we thought we'd go and have a look at a couple of other national parks. We went to Membernup Beach and Alexander Bay, and both were bloody gorgeous.
Yeah, the Membernup's a bit underwater at the moment, just in the camp, the actual campsites themselves.
Yeah, there's obviously been a lot of rain. There's so much water sitting on the side of the roads around here.
Yeah, the road in there is not too bad. Just the road to Alexander Bay was a bit, how you going?
Yeah, we came in from Maryvale Road, which wasn't too bad, that road on
Yeah.
the whole, but once we turned off, Membernup Beach was a bit, yeah, it wasn't too bad, but it was a bit corrugated, and the road down to Alexander Bay was definitely worse than the one to Membernup Beach.
Yeah, I don't think we'd really take our van into Alexander Bay.
Mind you, we've taken it to worse, so, yeah, we might.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Hey, I've just discovered, quick note to self, roll up your stone stompers before you go through some mud. Have a look at that. That's going to be fun to clean.
Gravity pulls you straight down.
today. This one's Alexander Beach, just a few k's away from the last one. Bloody beautiful beach, nice and hard to drive on too. Love these clear sands down here, but the white sands, they're so good. Duke of Orleans, big thumbs up from me. It's a great place to stay.
Definitely.
I have heard people, like on wiki camps and stuff, saying that it's a bit overpriced, but I think you get what you pay for, and to be honest, it's worth it. Absolutely it is.
And we're here in August. We literally got here, we had to go and find the owner because the shop's not open, which by the way is a very well maintained shop. And he basically said, okay, just pick your spot. So we got to just pick the best spot in the caravan park. And
I think we may actually have the best spot in the caravan park. We can actually see the water from our side.
Yeah.
I don't know how many others can. So
if you're thinking of coming, 71A, that's the one to get.
Yeah. And even the two next to it probably wouldn't be too bad either. They've got the walking trail straight down to this bay. So yeah, I would pick each one of those three would be alright.
If you're in WA, you're down the southern end of it, definitely come and stay at Duke of Orleans. We will definitely be back.
Yeah, the guy, actually I think his name is Guy, the guy that runs the caravan park, he's fantastic. He knows all the good areas. He'll give you a map as soon as you get here, tell you where to go snorkeling, where to go
fishing,
four-wheel
swimming,
driving,
surfing,
everything. Yep.
Yeah, whatever you need. He's your man.
Great area. Can't really say too much more about it.
Set, come and check it out.
Absolutely.
All right.
See you guys.
Bye.